Okay. Can you hear me, Derek?
Hi.
Gita, can you hear me? Okay. So we are starting right away, right? The weather out here is very, very hot. Like I'm literally sweating. So we just have to start so that we can end the class as soon as possible.
Sure.
Oh, okay. So basically what we are covering today is how to build websites, mobile apps, software is generally using AI, right? So before now, back in the 20s, 30 years ago, to build websites, you literally have to know how to write codes. You literally have to know how to program generally. But currently, AI has made the aspect of building websites very, very, very easy to do. All you just need to know how to write English. You don't even need to know how to spell perfectly. You just need to have a concept, an idea, right? Now, these are some products that we have built over time. Let me quickly share my screen. So let me start from Evolving Digital. So because this program is cross-border program, we have people joining us from different regions. So we have people joining us from UK and we have people joining us from Nigeria, right? So for the pre-webinar for those joining us from Nigeria, this is the website we actually worked on and it was built using AI. You can see how smooth the website is and how professional it is. It was built using AI, right? So this is the website. Then also, you can see this other website. This one here is a project I worked for a client, change makers. It has to do with an alumni system. It's also built with AI. Now, this is my own company website. I just hosted it today. I'm still working on it. www.mahadumia.com. You can easily check it out. I built this with just a single prompt. It was done with AI. It was done with AI, right? I literally didn't write any single line of code. And this website is currently live, Mahadumia, www.mahadumia.com. You should be able to access the website fully. And
Sorry,
the list
I
content,
can't.
okay.
I'm not seeing anything shared.
I think that should be from your own end. I think that should be your own
Yeah,
end. Check your
got
screen.
problems.
Can you see now?
No, no, wait a minute. No.
Just look at the screen.
Yeah, I just see a big M and with purple behind it, and then I've got you and Jenica. Sorry, I'm not used to this setup.
Okay.
I can't. It's very strange. Well, different, I should say. I can't
When you
see your
tap
share.
on, currently now I'm sharing my screen.
Right, but I don't see what you're sharing. I, I
Wow.
can see you, but I can't see what you're sharing. I just see a big purple screen with an M in the middle. Is that you? No?
No, that's my second line. Can you see? Can you see my screen now?
I can see you, but I can't see what you're sharing. Sorry.
What I'm sharing is currently showing a black and gold color.
No, I'm not seeing that at all. Oh, sugar.
Okay, let me just stop sharing and reshare again. Let me quickly stop
Okay.
sharing and reshare again. Let's see if that works.
I'm putting my video off because I think that's causing problems. Right. Now, yeah, I see that now. Evolving your brand into digital powerhouse. Yeah.
Yes. So that was a product we worked on one of these live webinars, right? Using AI. You can see this, right? Now let's
Yep.
go to the next. Okay. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, that was good.
Okay, you can see this. Reconnect, collaborate, and redefining
Redefining.
impact. Can you see?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. See that.
Okay. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is another website that was done using AI. Right.
Okay. Yep.
Then let me go to the next one. Can you see this?
Empowering the next generation. Doing it with ad tech. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is my company website. Actually worked on it yesterday, day before yesterday, and hosted it today.
Right.
So I'm still currently working on this project. Then this is the next one. Let me share this next one. Can you see this?
Empowering teachers. Yeah.
Okay. 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 So currently you're connected to a computer, right?
Yep.
Okay, go to the next. Let me share my next screen. Share this. Okay, so I'm going to paste a link on the, it's called Google AI Studio, right? So I'm going to paste it on the chat box so it will be easy for you to copy.
Sorry. Where's the chat? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Sorry. I got it. Got it.
Have you seen it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so now you can easily pick it up, open it. That's the platform we're going to be using for today's learning.
Right. Yeah. I got that.
Okay, so once you load it up,
Yeah.
have you been able to open the website? You should see something like this.
Yeah. Exactly the same.
Exactly the same, right?
Yeah.
Now go to this section, build. Then you have to see something like this. If you get to this point, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, you're currently there, right?
Yep. Got that.
Okay, so the next thing you're supposed to do is open a new tab. I don't know if you know how to use Gemini. Do you use Gemini by Google?
I've never. No, I haven't used it before.
Okay, so let me share my screen on that too. Gemini. So Gemini is an AI tool. So and it is more like a general AI. Let me just copy the website link and also send. Copy. Okay, so click on this. This is Gemini.
Gemini. Yeah.
Yeah, so the both are from Google. Yes, the both are from Google,
Yep. Got that.
right? Have you been able to open Gemini?
Yes, I've got Gemini open. Yeah.
Okay, you
Says
got
hi
Gemini
there.
running.
Yeah.
Okay, so now our goal is to build a website, more of like a website, right? Using Boots product by Google. Now, these two products by Google are actually totally free to use. But beyond these two products, right, using these two methods, there are other ways of building website. which are the masterclass is what we're going to cover, right, for straight 3 weeks. Now, one thing you should understand is, as regarding building this with Google, they all have their advantages and disadvantages. Take for instance, there's another platform called lovable.dev. Let me type it on the chat box. Lovable dev.
Oh yeah, heard of that.
Okay, you've heard of that.
Yeah,
Okay, so that's another platform we're going to cover. But for now, for today, our goal is to make use of what's it called? Google AI Build to build the website, just the front landing page. While we make use of Gemini to generate the prompt. Now, when it has to do with website building, the first thing you have to figure out is the having a good structured prompt, not just a prompt, but a prompt that is well structured, that could have all the components you need to build your website. So, Derek, I don't know, do you have a business, let's say, or a business idea or a product line you want us to do a practical demonstration of building a website for it? So, all you just need to do is on the chat box, let's call it any business, plumbing, pharmaceutical, lecturing, whatever business it is, just give us a hint of what it is, right? Then we use it to form a prompt and build a website. I don't know if that
right.
makes sense.
Here's something I was thinking of doing, uh,
Okay.
which is sneakers. You know, sneakers, footwear. Uh,
Yes.
but that's only an idea as yet. I haven't actually done anything with it. And in fact, one of the uh, ideas was to use maybe affiliate links from Amazon or whatever to sell sneakers. Because I know in America, for instance, people pay a lot of money for, you know, unusual brands.
Okay. So that makes sense. So that means you want to build a sneakers, a website for sneakers where people could purchase sneakers, right? But now you are doing
Yeah.
more of like drop shipping in the sense that your website is just going to show the pictures of the sneakers. That's one thing. Then secondly, you then go back to Amazon to create your own affiliate links and then place it on that particular website such that when people wants to pay, it will take them to Amazon, something of that nature.
Yes, something like that.
Okay, so let's go into the prompting. So let's say now when you want to build a website, uh, which has to do with prompt engineering, right? Now there is different aspects of prompt engineering which we are going to teach on the master class, which is one, you have to take a role just the way you are, you have a profession, right? You have to ask the AI to take a role. You have to give the AI context. You have to give the AI examples, right? All these are factors you have to put into consideration to be able to get a professional website. So what I usually do is I take a role. So now I will talk to the AI and you just see how we come up with your website. So take a role, take a role as a professional, professional software software developer. Mhm. Who builds product websites. Sorry about that. What you said. Who builds product websites, e-commerce. Based on the idea you gave us, the type of website we're likely going to build is an e-commerce website, in the sense that it's an electronic commerce where people can buy and what sell. So take a role as a professional software developer who builds product website for e-commerce. Um, I want to build um a sneakers cars um website So different. So one thing we usually do is product research, right? Now, um, because you want to build a website and you want your website to be as detailed as possible, the next thing I'm going to do now is to open another chat box to do product research. What are the top brands in sneakers, right? So this is what I'm going to do now. I'll open a new tab, share this, Gemini. So this is where you do your product research. Uh, brands, base, okay. So let's see how this goes. So these are the top brands, right? So what I'm going to do is list them, list them, set the names, comma. We are still trying to do our product. Okay. So now we have gotten list of possible brands that we would love to display, right? Okay. I would. You have a question, Derek?
No. I was just agreeing with you. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So we'll come back to the original Gemini. um, Brands. Share this instead. So I want to go back to this particular one to copy all this, right? Then press, press, press. Okay. Um. Okay. Now, why am I listing possible brands? It's such that when you are still forming the website with the AI, it can have actual use cases, right? It can have body templates you can easily, edit and all that. So take a role as a professional software developer who builds product website for e-commerce. I want to build a sneakers website where I would sell different sneakers from top brands for Nike, Adidas, this and that, Cola. Okay.
Mhm.
I also want each product product under it to use mm, to use my affiliate affiliate link affiliate links to buy to take the buyers actual website your set each product card should have at least three pictures. Just right. So all this is you are just basically describing the business, right? So now in prompt engineering, all you are just basically doing at this Gemini or ChatGTP or Perplexity is just describing the business as much as you can remember, right? You are not yet writing the prompts that you are going to give to the AI, right? Now, after you generate your prompt, we are trying to generate our main prompt here. So now we have listed as much as we could, remember. Um, Now we have to add other details, right? So now your business is supposed to have maybe an official address, phone number, things like that. So you just come here and say, I would need you to add other professional requirements, requirements, other professional requirements for the website, like address, phone number, hero section, product details. Now, another thing that just crossed my mind is I'm writing all these things because I think I have an idea on what what's it called, an e-commerce website could be, right? But if you are working on this product and you don't really have a clear understanding of what the website is supposed to have, features is supposed to have, the other thing you could have done is just the way we came to this second GTP, I mean, sorry, Gemini, to ask it to list for us popular brands, because I personally don't know much of popular brands, right, on the sneakers industry, right?
Yeah.
Another possible thing you can do is to ask the AI to tell you all the possible components or functions a a website supposed to have, right? Then you bring it back to this your um you bring it back to this particular Gemini, which is your main Gemini, right? To then tell it that, okay, you want to build a professional website. These are the details of things you want to have, right? It should give you a structured prompt, which is the next thing we're going to do now. So after you must have listed all this, so from here to here, you can actually get it from anywhere, right? You could ask the AI, you could go to another chat box, ask the AI, oh, this is what I want to build. Tell me the things that should be there. These are the things I want to work on. Tell me the things that I don't need to add, right? Colors, things like that, right? When you are done with that product research, you just bring it to another what's it called? Another AI chat box. Ask it to take a role. This is very important. Ask it to take a role, right? After asking it to take a role, then you now tell it to do one thing. Give me a structured prompt to give my AI builder, right? Now, to
Mhm.
make the copying out of whatever response you have. Now, we haven't even done something very important, right? Which is the business. We didn't give it a name. So what I'm going to do is we're going to call it, okay, three pictures. Okay, I'll come over here and put something like this. The name of my business is Derek. Mm,
Yeah, Derek's sneaker shop. Yeah, that's good.
Um, where is the place I was typing? I need you to read me a sketch sheet. I also want the product too. Okay. I need to bring me a version of whatever e-commerce. Okay. Sneakers website. This Derek sneakers. Sneakers. Or Derek sneakers. Yes. Any sneakers. Yes. Okay. Hero section. This is now look at something again. Give me the response in canvas. So this technically, this last place is not actually part of your prompt, right? It's not actually part of it, but observe something I want to do now. When you click on tools, right, turn on Canva. What that does is when you press your chart, instead of it returning to you as a normal chart, it will create more like a box that makes it easy for you to why didn't okay, yeah. So this is it. You can see it. It has given you a structured prompt. So what I'm going to do now is, since you said you know about Lovable already, right? I'm going to paste this particular, I don't know. I wanted to teach this class with Lovable, to be honest. I really wanted to teach this class before Lovable, but I don't know. My Lovable account was just being blocked out. I don't know. I don't know. I actually changed my laptop, so I don't know why it's not authenticating, but this is it. So this is the prompt here. Let's copy it. Let me quickly copy this. So copy, right? So back to the chat box. Can you see the prompt?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So now what I'm supposed to do next is take the same prompt, share this instead, paste it here, and click on build. Okay. So our website is currently being built.
Build. Yeah.
So we just have to wait for it to finish building. While we do that, you can also try out the same prompts on your own end at Lovable. Let
Okay.
me see if my Lovable is going to open. Oh, I don't know why my Lovable had just been misbehaving.
Well, I got into Lovable. It's
Okay, my
finding.
Lovable, I don't know why it's just funny. It has just been misbehaving. I don't know. It's not authenticating on this particular laptop. I don't know why. It should just be writing loading. But I believe over the weekend I should sort out my Lovable. I don't know.
Right. Okay. Let's build something in Lovable, it says, and then put in the prompt. And now it's thinking about it.
So I didn't hear what you said.
Unlovable, and it started doing the prompt link. All the Gemini's finished. Let's have a look at it. Just says
this. Okay, this is ready over here. Let me share
yeah.
this.
That's it. Login, and I put my login as Google, and got into the build part. And it says now, welcome to your blank app. I don't know if it's still working or not.
Lovable should work. Lovable should. Lovable should. But that of Google Build that we are doing is currently ready. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah. That, yeah. I got that in Gemini indeed, the same.
So this is it.
Okay.
So if we click on,
My machine's ready. Oh, I see. It's got some pictures. Doesn't have any sneakers pictures, but what have you got?
okay, so let me quickly share you the outcome.
It's just pulling a whole lot of pictures, but nothing of sneakers. But I don't know if that's usual or not. Do you have to tell it to put in these pictures?
Definitely when you are prompting, like if you look at the one that we just built now using Google Build, you see that there are pictures there, right? Can you see? Click on the link. I sent you the link on the
Okay.
chat box.
Yeah. Hang on. Just going into the view now. So this is from another developer. Okay. I don't know what happened.
Have you seen it?
It disappeared. Hang on.
Okay.
Uh, it's come back to build unit. I don't know what happened. Let me try that again. Because
Or you
something
can look at
did.
my.
Hang on. It popped up and then it disappeared. So I don't know what popped up. Oh yeah, it's from another developer. Continue to app. Right. Thinking about it. Oh, yeah,
Have you been able to? Have you been able to access it?
yeah, I can see that collection there. And it's wow, yeah, that's excellent. That's exactly, when I was thinking about this is the sort of thing I wanted. Yeah, that's very good. I'm impressed. Yeah, maybe you know
Exactly.
this better than me, but I find it quite impressive. Yeah, that's
Now,
pretty good.
the next phase of this project is now remember you are the one to be adding the pictures, right? The
Mhm.
pictures of the product. You are the one to place your affiliate link, right? So it
Yeah,
means that you are expected to go back to this same prompt. Let me share here. So I intentionally did not add that section because I wanted to be sure of the front view first, right? So one thing with prompting
yeah,
is you have to take it step by step, right?
yeah,
Now you are done with this particular phase. The next phase you would have done is to take it to another product, another AI, where we are supposed to build more of like a back end interaction. Back end interaction in the sense that a system that could allow you add a specific picture, add a specific link.
yeah,
I don't know if you understand that. And
yeah,
that
yeah.
you can also what an AI.
All right. So when
So
I
you
want
can see
to
that
change any, sorry, if
okay.
I want to change anything, add any more sneakers, change the affiliate link, the back end is basically where I would do that.
Exactly. On your phone, just the way you are saying this, we just have to probably create an admin account. When it's Derek that is logged in into the system, right? When you tap on this particular place, let me share my other, let me share this full screen. Let me share this. Now, look at here now, right? Because I'm a regular user, I can only see things like detail, right? You can see the detail here, right?
Mhm.
But now you can see it's telling you check the price on Amazon. It's taking you to Amazon, right? But over here, you can see this is an X button. Now, when we take it to the second layer of the AI, we're supposed to add the back end. Then here we have like a button that looks like an edit, like a finger, like edit
Mhm.
button, right? When you
Yeah.
click on that edit button, you're supposed to be able to swap these pictures to anything you want.
Right.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Then you're supposed to be able to write anything you want in the material, the what was it called? Act support, the style code. You are supposed to be able to do full edits on it. Then you're also supposed to be able to do updating of your what of your Amazon link.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know if you understand that.
Yeah. Yeah. I understand.
So
So,
that's just it.
so that is, we have to do an extra step in the prompt to be able to do that. Is that what you're saying?
Exactly, exactly. Now,
Okay.
another thing you have to understand is when it has to do with building stuff. Now, you can see this is linked to your GitHub. I don't know if you know how to work with GitHub.
I have used GitHub, yeah, but I have not. I've read things from GitHub, but I've never updated or anything like that.
Okay, so now you are done with this front end, right? Now this Google build is very good for you to do your front end, right? But the back end, we're supposed to use another AI tool, right? Which is part of our master class. Now we are supposed to link this code to, let me show you something.
Hmm.
Look at this particular product now. Let me show you this particular product. This particular product you are looking at here now. I can actually log in, right? I can create an account. I can log in. Because it's
Yeah,
asking me for account details, right? I don't even remember the password to this, but this particular username. So you are expected to take it out of Google Build, take the code out of Google Build using your GitHub, then take it to another AI tool where you're supposed to build your back end, add database to it, right? Add what's it called? Storage system to it, link it to your AWS where you are going to be storing the pictures.
right.
Do you understand that?
Yep, I
So
follow.
that's where, okay. So that's that for today's tutorial. So we have come to the end of today's tutorial, right? Our
Okay.
goal is to build, our goal is to hold a masterclass, a 3 weeks masterclass, where we are expected to teach you how to build website using AI, right? From
Mhm.
beginning to end, right? So now there are two options. There are two options, right? You can either choose that of private class, right? So that of private class, it just means, let's say we are continuing building this your product from scratch to end. That's walk you through, we figure out everything together and all that, right? If you want that of master class, that of master class for that 3 weeks is £150, right? Why, if you want that of general class, now the general class is a mixture of because it's a cross-border cohort which is starting on Monday. The general class is £30, and you'll be joined with other persons from other regions, from Nigeria, from Sierra Leone, from different parts of the country.
Mhm.
But if you're not interested in the masterclass, it's totally fine. It's totally fine, right? So you can go continue with this. You already have the prompts to this particular product. If you put it on Google Build, it's going to give you something almost similar. Then you figure out the rest by yourself.
Right. Um, so when what there's two, what you're saying is there's two master classes. One is a general one, and one is particular. And
Yeah. there are two types. There are two types of our masterclass, right? One is a general masterclass, whereby in a class you can be. Currently we have like, let me check. Let me confirm, please. Currently we have about 20. No, sorry. Let me just check to be super correct. Premium group, premium group, premium group, premium group. Oh, okay. So currently we have about 15 persons registered for our masterclass, right? That's the general group, right? So if you decide to register for the masterclass, you are joining 15 extra persons, right? You're not learning one-on-one. You're joining 15 extra
Well,
persons to learn how to
are you
build.
still there?
I'm here. I'm here. Can you hear me? Hello?
I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
One problems. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can.
Oh, I hear you now. I hear you now. Something went wrong there. As I
Sorry,
said,
it's my.
I'm trouble connecting sometimes with these things. It's annoying.
Oh, okay. So what I'm saying is, if you want to go for master class, there are two options, right? You have the personal class. The personal class is £150. That's for 3 weeks, twice a week, or straight 3 weeks, right? And you're going to work on several products. So now, let me show you something. Let me share my like I said, Google Build is one. Beyond Google Build, we have what's it called? Google Stitch. We're supposed to teach you how to use Google Stitch. Beyond Google Stitch, you have Lovable. Beyond Lovable, you have Anti-Gravity by Google, right? These are about four different ways of building mobile softwares, right? So if you're interested in the masterclass for the general class, it's just £30, right? And you join the other 15 persons, right? That is coming from different regions. Why, if you're interested in the one-on-one class, is £150, the same 3 weeks.
Right. I think I'll join the general class if you don't mind, because it's good to see. I'm taking it. I'm assuming it go a bit slower, because not that the thing is any different, but to see how it goes. Yeah, I would go for the general class.
Oh, okay. That's totally fine. So the general class is starting on Monday. Um, Payment details will be displayed on the group, right?
Okay.
Payment details will be displayed on it. But if you
But,
want it to be sent, you said?
sorry, what time is the class? That's what I meant to ask originally. Before this went wrong. What time is the class?
Okay. The same 7 p.m. GMT.
Okay. Oh, that's good. I can do that.
7 p.m. GMT.
All right.
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
the link for payment will be in the WhatsApp group chat. Is that correct?
Yes, the account detail is going to be what I'm going to do is for people in UK, currently I'm not in UK, so my elder sister has a UK account. I'm going to drop her account there for people in UK, right?
Okay.
So you just pay once you pay, you send me the receipt. I'll just confirm from her.
Right. That's good. And
Okay. Then for this recorded video, it will be made available hopefully by tomorrow.
okay, that'd be great. Thanks very much. That's very interesting.
Okay.
I look forward to
Okay.
the
So
class.
okay. Okay. You have a blissful evening.
Thank you. You too. Bye for now.
Okay.